Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Uh, what is the painting in the background of yours?
Yes, sir. This is made by me.
Okay, this is made by you.
Yes, sir.
What is it?
So, so this is a painting.
Oh, nothing more than that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. अपने बारे में बताइए कुछ रिया.
Yes, sir. My name is Riya Soni, and I'm from Chittorgarh. Currently pursuing BTech in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering from Gitanjali, with an aggregate of 81%. I completed my 12th with 86% and 10th with 82%. And now taking towards my technical proficiency, I have good knowledge of various technologies like cloud, DevOps, IoT, web development, app development, and digital marketing. And I'm working on various technologies, and um, to gain professional experience, I'm learning some. I'm working on professional certificates, and I'm going to give this examination in this month. And I completed my internship from Adoc Network Jaipur in DevOps, and uh, now taking towards my achievements, I secured first rank in first year and second year, and other than this, I secured third rank in district in 12th boards, and awarded by Rajasthan government and Patrika in education for securing 86 and 82% in Rajasthan board. And that's all about me.
Okay. What is your achievement if you talk about your technical engineering, computer science in the field of software development? मतलब, have you made any software by your own, which you have
Yes,
developed by
sir.
your own, or it can be called as your Ria Sony project or the software?
Yes, sir. I have done various projects in IoT and DevOps during my college period, during my college periods, and I'm still working on it.
Okay. There is no specific name of the product or the software.
No, no, sir. There is a name. I have made various IoT projects like home automation system and women security system and soil management system and many more. And yes, sir.
We normally uh, feel that you are the good student of computer science engineering. So, in your opinion, what do you feel the three qualities any computer science engineer must have?
So first thing is positive attitude. Without positive attitude, he can't do anything. And second thing is learning attitude. And third thing is skills. Skills is
That
the most.
in every professional qualification, these three things are required. What is something unique which only computer science engineer required, nobody other qualifications require?
um, Problem solving skills, sir.
Problem solving skills.
Yes.
No manager want that kind of skills.
No, sir. The, his want, sir.
Okay, but the computer science people want more.
Yes, sir. Because they have to solve the problems. So
Okay, everywhere we find the problems, or there are some places where we normally cannot find the problems.
sir, problems are everywhere.
Okay,
But
there is no such place where there is no problem.
sir, I don't think so. Problems are everywhere.
Okay, and what do you know about your institute? Tell me some specific features about your institute.
Sir, Gitanjali is a good institute affiliated by RTU Kota and AICT, and nice teachers are there, and it is
Nice
good.
by face.
No, sir. Nice by nature and skills.
Okay, nature and skills. What basically a teacher must have if you talk about these skills?
Teacher must have a
He
nature.
should have a good knowledge about the subject, or
Yes,
the good
sir.
presentation about the subject?
He should have a good knowledge of skills and presentation
उसको
skills.
पढ़ाना नहीं भी आता तो भी चलेगा?
No, sir. It is
प्रेजेंटेशन
must.
भी तो जरूरी है कि नहीं
Yes,
है?
sir. Yes, sir. Presentation is must.
दोनों जरूरी है।
Yes, sir.
ज्यादा क्या जरूरी है?
Skills, presentation, and way of teaching. It is most important thing.
If I talk about one point, then
Way of teaching.
पढ़ाना नहीं आए, पढ़ाने के लिए कंटेंट नहीं हो तो भी चलेगा?
No, sir. Way of teaching and how to present things in simple way.
Okay. And why you want to go in the software field only? There are many more field available in the market.
So because it is interesting and I'm learning from many years, and and it can be help to our nation to solve problems. So I want to solve problems of our India.
How many interviews you have given earlier
Sir,
for this mock interview?
So I have given interview in Fusion
Yeah.
and
Yeah, only two
yes,
interviews.
yes, sir.
You have also selected in Fusion, right?
Yes, sir.
And what is the similar thing you have felt in these mock interviews and the original interview which you have faced in the Fusion?
So both
Normally,
are
the same kind of questions were asked in all the interviews, or there is some specific questions were also asked?
so a specific question also asked like tell me about yourself and tell me about your college and background and
तो इन सब चीजों से फर्क पड़ता है क्या? सीखने में, लर्निंग में फर्क पड़ता है?
yes, sir.
क्यों आप चीज तो वो तो जो यहाँ बोल रहे हो वही वहां बोल रहे हो, तो सीखने में कैसे फर्क पड़ा इससे?
नहीं sir, because मतलब presentation way is different.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Riya. Nice
Yes, sir.
talking to you.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, Riya.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, you want to join Hanu?
Yes, sir.
Why?
So because Hanu is working on cloud and DevOps both, and I'm working on DevOps from past months, and working on professional certificates, and cloud is also interesting thing, so I want to work over there.
And what if the company wants to work in other fields or other spheres then?
So
After you
mostly,
join, after you join, say there are changes, then?
so then I can work. I will work on it because I'm working on various technologies. So that,
Okay.
yes, sir.
So it's not the only reason
Yes,
that
sir.
you want to join Hanu. So what are the
Yes,
other reasons? So what are the other reasons?
Other reason is I want to learn how corporate world works, so it will be better. It will be nice platform or nice place to learn.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Riya, tell me, where is Hanu headquartered?
So Hanu headquarter in New Jersey.
Which place in New Jersey?
The exact place I don't remember. I have to read on it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is New Jersey? Where is it located?
So New Jersey is located in. I have to read on it.
Okay. Which part? Is it in US or it is in UK?
No, sir. It is in UK, I think.
Okay. Which part of it is in UK?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Riya, tell me something about what are your expectations from this particular job that you're choosing?
So my first and foremost expectation from the company to learn new things and technical things, and being a part of a big energetic team, and where I could contribute in the project.
Okay. So what are your strengths which you feel that you will be able to contribute as a fresher?
So my strength is I'm working on technical skills. So DevOps, they are working on cloud and DevOps, and I'm also working on DevOps and cloud, so I can help in both of them.
Other than that,
Other than that, I working on IoT digital marketing, so I can help to market their product.
okay. Okay, Riya, now tell me, what are the things that you would like to improve in your personality?
So I want to improve um communication skills and or presentation skills or and these things.
Okay. When did you feel that you want to improve upon your communication skills and your presentation skills?
So continuous improvement is necessary. So I think improvement is needed.
Okay. And what have you done so far to improve these things?
So I'm reading newspapers and reading books. So
Okay. And what about the presentation skills? What have you done for that?
so presentation skills. Um, I want to talk everyone and so I can present myself better.
तो अभी तक क्या किया आपने
So
उसको improve करने के लिए? You said you want to improve, isn't it?
yes, sir.
So what have you done?
I'm not done. So ऐसा अभी तक कुछ नहीं किया है, but लेकिन I'm working on it. मतलब अलग अलग लोगों से बात करना और मतलब confidence build up होता है इन सारी चीजों से, so that
Okay.
yes, sir.
So you have been a very bright student as per your academic record, it shows.
Yes, sir.
So why only software field you have chosen? Why not any other field?
So I like all other fields like digital marketing, painting and sketching, badminton. I like all this thing also.
No, why have you chosen software as your professional field or the thing where you would like to go?
So
Any
because
particular reason for that?
because it is interesting and I like most.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Riya, anything that you would like to tell us as a team of Hanu?
So can you repeat?
Anything that you would like to tell us?
About what?
Anything that you would like to tell Hanu or the team of Hanu?
So Hanu is a nice company for freshers and it is working on cloud and 20 plus more than years Microsoft partner. So it will be better for us.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Riya.
Yes, sir.
Nice talking to you and all the best.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So why should Hanu hire you?
Sir, Hanu should hire me because of my technical skills and dedication quality towards anything and learning quality.
Which technical qualifications you are telling about?
Technical skills like DevOps, cloud, IoT, digital marketing.
So how can you prove that you are technically very sound in the cloud?
Sir, I'm
Show me any one of your instance, yeah, of any one of the product, yeah, project you have made.
sir, I'm working on professional certificates and I'm going to give this exam in this month, so it will be better to prove my skills.
Which certification? Sorry.
In DevOps and in AWS.
Which certification in AWS?
AWS is solution architect.
Solution
Architect. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the middle level in any of the cloud middleware?
So what it means?
What do you understand by middleware in any of the cloud platform? Yeah, cloud layers.
Middleware. Sir, I have to read on it.
You have never heard about the cloud?
So I heard about the cloud.
The middleware about the cloud, and I'm asking that.
Middleware, it's a term I'm not remember.
Okay. So how can you protect the data over the cloud?
So there are many security groups, and so we can protect our data.
How? I,
So they
specifically tell me how you will protect the data. सर हम ये करेंगे तो डेटा प्रोटेक्ट हो जाएगा, या मैं या ये बिल्ट इन फंक्शन यूज करूंगी या एन्क्रिप्शन टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करूंगी विथ नेम.
So there are many security groups to protect our data.
I want to hear the names.
So names are not remembered yet.
The
There
most
are
important thing on the cloud is security, data security.
data security is security groups and IAM जो होता है identity access management. So we can control the access, who can control and who can.
By controlling the access, you can save the data. Yeah, other technologies, yeah, other protocols are also there.
Other protocols are also there, sir.
Which are that protocols?
So TCP and UDP.
Oh, very good. What is TCP and UDP?
Transmission control protocol.
Any relation of TCP UDP with the cloud?
So can you repeat?
You tell that there is TCP and UDP.
Yes,
So
sir.
first I asked what is TCP and UDP, right? And second question is that is there any relation of TCP UDP with the cloud? Direct relation.
So TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol, and UDP for User Datagram Protocol. They use for transferring data to insecure way, and
How the security both protocols secure the data?
so because they transfer our data in a packet format. So
I'm not asking about that transmission. I'm asking about the data protection on the cloud. They are looking. These both protocols ensures that the data reaches from one end to another end, right? The packet doesn't. We try to minimize the packet loss.
yes, sir.
Not the encryption decryption process has been covered by these both protocols. Okay.
Yes.
What is the hybrid cloud?
The hybrid cloud is the mixture of two types of cloud. Is the hybrid cloud.
Which two types of cloud?
Private, public, this kind of cloud.
If you mix the private and public, तो private नहीं रहेगा, public नहीं रहेगा.
But sir, this thing is happen in cloud, and this is called hybrid cloud. मतलब some part is public and something is private.
So अगर हम single cloud बनाएंगे तब उसके and in that also we can make some part publicly access and some part privately access.
Yes, sir. Like database is privately.
उसी को हम hybrid बोलते हैं या other features are also there. We are
Other
using the
features are also there, sir. Other features are also there, but this is the most important thing.
Okay, the same question I have asked all the candidates. How you will implement PaaS in our organization? This is your last question.
So PaaS stand for Platform as a Service.
How
Yes,
you
sir.
will implement? So instead of having a compiler on all the machines, I have a single compiler on my server. All the students are trying their practicals through that compiler only, through that IDE only. So how will you implement on our organization in our college? And we are not going to pay for Amazon or any IBM server or any IBM cloud or anything like that.
So we can do this by because we have many laptops. Many PCs are there in the our institute. So and there are Windows and Linux on it. So we can provide all other to as a platform to run their applications.
How will you provide? यही तो मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि मुझे सारे सिस्टम पे इंस्टॉल करना नहीं रहा, वो सिर्फ क्लाउड से लॉगिन करेगा और वहीं से उसका आईडी यूज करके he or she can do the practical.
Yes, sir. So
तो मैं
storage
बस यही
or
पूछना
server.
चाहता हूँ.
So storage and server are needed for this. And
ये तो मोटे तौर पे किसी को भी बोलोगे तो बोल देगा सर्वर चाहिए, स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी चाहिए, सिस्टम चाहिए, नेट चाहिए.
yes, sir.
टेक्निकली क्लाउड में से समझना है या सीखना है कि आपको क्या क्या आप पे क्या टेक्नोलॉजी स्टैक रहेगा, व्हाट आर द सिस्टम रिक्वायरमेंट्स फॉर दैट. सर्वर रहेगा तो कहाँ पे रहेगा.
So
चलो
I have to rerun it.
थोड़ा सा जो मैंने पूछा है गो थ्रू इट,
Yes, sir.
और थोड़ा सा और टेक्निकली जो इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस हैं उसको और सर्च आउट करो, पढ़ो उसका।
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
ऑल द बेस्ट फ्रॉम माय साइड।
Thank you, sir.
So how Ria perform in the interview?
She needs more, मतलब she is bright in the technology she knows, but क्लाउड में थोड़ा सा अभी और पढ़ने की जरूरत है, क्योंकि इनका इतना एक्सपर्टाइज नहीं होगा क्लाउड में, दैट आई नो।
फ्लाइट में बैठो और क्लाउड पे जाओ और फिर सीखो और थोड़ा, हाँ? ठीक है ना? तो रिया, आई ऑल्सो थिंक योर परसेंटेज इज गुड, योर एकेडमिक बैकग्राउंड इज गुड, यू सीम्स अ वेरी सिंसियर कैंडिडेट बाय योर फेस। तो उससे आपका पॉजिटिव पॉइंट है कि भैया कंपनी वाला सोचेगा कि ये समझदार है तो लंबा समय तक टिक के काम करेगी, ऐसा लगता है, तो चांसेस ऑफ सिलेक्शन बढ़ जाएंगे। लेकिन उसके साथ नॉलेज बहुत जरूरी है, राइट?
Yes, sir.
बैकग्राउंड में अच्छी पेंटिंग के साथ साथ नॉलेज भी जरूरी है
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes.
बाकी यू परफॉर्म वेल, है ना? तो उसमें कोई संदेह नहीं है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा और ब्रशअप करने की आवश्यकता है।
Yes,
if
sir.
if I'll give the rating out of 4 candidate in the interview, I can give the rating, but it will not be good today to give rating. Any comment on this? Because it can impact the interview, final interview of you all guys, right? So
Yes,
I
sir.
know that you all 4 guys were really good, and as per the review and the interviews what we have taken from last 2 days to yesterday as well as today, I'm feeling that I can see the improvement. That is a very important thing. When we started the mock virtually in the lockdown period, and now I'm observing there is a huge improvement. So that is a positive indication in you all guys, whether it is Harshvardhan. I have not interviewed Harshvardhan earlier, but I have seen that he has the capabilities. Rhythm was really good. Sakshi was also very nice candidate. Ria is also good. So you all have the potential because you came into top 5 in for the Hanu software, and I know the level of quality of Hanu process. We have recently got connected, but I know the CHRO of the company very well, so I know what the company is all about and how this company is doing. So definitely, if you have cracked that process, you all have the capabilities. But now you have to brush up whatever knowledge you have, and the main motto is to get the final selections
Yes, sir.
and try to give a reasonable answer when somebody is asking a very tricky questions like where you want to see yourself after 5 years, or how many years you want to stay in the organization. That is normally a very tricky question which companies people always ask. But technical knowledge is must, that cannot be
Yes, sir.
ignored. Whether you are good in answering the tricky question, but if you are not good in technical, then for any software engineer, it is not useful. So you should have both the capabilities.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, all went well.